friends, it's April Kensington here with Be Pure, and I want to share with you this amazing little thing in my hand. These are your Forever Swabs by Be Pure. They're made with simple silicone material. You can buy as many as you want if you don't want to have to wash them every day, or you can just simply wash with soap and water and replace back in your little container. These things are so great because you don't have to throw them away. And the silicone material is just as good as the cotton at removing any dirt or oil in places you want. I especially love this one as a makeup tool because it does a great job at swiping my perfect cat eye when I do my eyeliner. If you have any questions about Forever Swabs, just let me know. DM me anytime at our Instagram account at Be.Pure.Beauty or leave a comment below with any of your questions. I'm so excited to share a new zero waste product with you, Forever Swab.